Simple with Carolina Chef. Today we're doing a little different video. I wanted to show you guys, some of you probably already know this, but this is a little trick that I do. I got these peaches. I do a lot of ordering instead of going to the store. Sometimes I'll go, sometimes I won't, but I ordered some peaches. It's like, man, it's that time of the year. These came hard as a rock. So what we do with hard as a rock fruit and vegetables, like you get tomatoes, they're not all the way ripe. You get any kind of fruit like peaches and stuff. You can put those in a brown bag. Get you a banana, and this kind of like releases gas. Put it in there, and then put you a couple of peaches or put your tomatoes in there. And just close up your bag, and then I like to get a little clip it off. I'll leave it in there for about 3 days, and then I'll have some nice looking peaches. Okay, so that also ripens your banana. So I've already done this to ripen some avocados that came in pretty green. So now my bananas are overripe, don't look great. So what you do with these is, what I like to do is I will stick these in the freezer, and when I'm making bread, banana bread or something like that, or smoothie, you can use those in that. Even though they're extra ripe, because you're not going to want to peel these and eat these right now. So what I suggest is you can take them out of the peel, or you can stick them in there like that. I would suggest take them out of the peel, put them in a Ziploc bag, close it up real good, try to get as much air of it out as you can. Stick them in the freezer, and then when you want to make some banana bread or a smoothie, you've got some bananas to use. So, bananas are great for potassium. So I would suggest having a banana a day, even with an apple, keep the doctor away. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, because a lot of times I'll get tomatoes and they need to be ripened a little bit. So I'm always ordering bananas, and then I'll just stick them in a bag. Or say like you have a garden and you want to go ahead and pick your tomatoes a little early or whatnot. This is a great way to keep them go ahead and ripen them if you don't want to put them on a windowsill or whatnot. So that's it for this video. And yeah, we have the best made pickles out. We just did a video on those, checking those out. Man, they were good. So make sure you go back and check that video out. And we appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, share with your family and friends. Leave us a comment. We love those comments when we get from you guys. And also, if you want to show a little more support, you can always send us a super sticker or a super chat in the little box. We'd appreciate that. Thanks so much. God bless.